In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for classes at SCTCC as a visiting student from another Min-State college. The first thing you want to do is log in to the e-services at your current Min-State college. As an example, I'm going to use St. Cloud State University. Log in with your star ID and password. Then click on Courses and Registration. Then search for a course. Then change the college from your current college to St. Cloud Technical and Community College. Select the semester you're looking to register for. Then select the subject of the course you're looking to register for. Click Search and look for the course that you're trying to register for. As an example, I'm going to use Anatomy and Physiology 1. Look for a section that fits in your schedule. Once you've done that, click on this plus sign here. A pop-up will show that the course has been added to your wish list. Then you want to click on Continue to review my plan. You should see the course that you've selected. Now to register for that course, you want to check this box. Click on Proceed to Register. Now here, to complete registration, type in your star ID password and click Register. If you have questions about being a visiting student, you can send an email to registration@sctcc.edu or call 320-308-5075.